Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and stop everything that you're doing right now. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And comment down below what your favorite spooky, like, vampy vibe lipstick is down below, because I'm running out of things to think of, and like I think we're only in like day 6 or something of spooky season palette series. So you guys, today's video is going to be the Wicked Widow Beauty Graveyard Smash palette. If you've been here for a minute, you know that I love Wicked Widow Beauty. Their eyeshadows are phenomenal. I tried a couple of their liquid lipsticks. I love them. And here's what the inside of this palette looks like. You do get a mirror and these shades are just absolutely stunning. I am so excited, and for the longest time, for whatever reason, I thought this was like the Monster Mash palette, but it's Graveyard Smash. But in the song Monster Mash, they do say it's a Graveyard Smash, I believe. So every time I hear Graveyard Smash, just know that in my head, that song, the Monster Mash, is playing, and that's what's going on in my head. So that's what we're gonna be dealing with today. I think we're gonna do our usual 2 different looks on the eyes so we can get as much use of this palette as we can. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm excited. Also, side note, I'm actually filming. I grabbed one brush and the other one went flying. I don't think you guys saw that though, but I got outside. Fall is here, you guys. She has arrived. She is beautiful and lovely. I got to get out. I got to take some pictures. I'm excited, so let's go ahead and get started. Also, again, I'm filming this way later. I usually film in the morning, so I've got like all this extra energy and it's crazy and I don't know what to do with it. So I was like, I need to film a video. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Let's get started with the shade Harvest Horrors, because hello, beautiful pumpkin orange. And again, fall is here, you guys. I am just living for it. I'm so excited. I got to wear a hoodie today. Oh my goodness. I've like been waiting for this all year. It is just amazing. I love it. Yeah, I'm a little too pumped up for this whole fall season thing. Also, this is weird. I do have some mascara on because I couldn't really do my eyes or anything this morning. Because my husband was sleeping, so I could not utilize my filming area. So I did just do like my base, so that was done earlier, so I'm probably maybe looking a little rough. And I did put a little bit of mascara on just to kind of plump those lashes just a smidge, because, you know, I'm going out without any eyeshadow on, and I had to have something going on, you know, even though I was like literally just surrounded by trees, but that's okay. It's just, I don't know, I feel weird if I go out without any makeup on, so I try to do a little bit, and if I can't really do eyeshadow, I just put on a little bit of mascara to kind of plump the lashes. So that's what I did today. So that's why, if you can tell, my lashes are a little darker than their normal natural state and a little plumper, fuller. It's because I do have a little bit of mascara on. Hopefully I'll be able to put some mascara over it and it won't totally destroy this look, but we'll see what happens when we get there. Okay. That was a lot. I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and let's me find the right brush, and let's take this shade Groovy Ghouls right here, and we're kind of trying to create like a halo eye type thing. This is a lighter shade, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but let's go for it. And it is kind of weird having to put eyeshadow on with mascara on, because my lashes are poking up even more and they're kind of getting in the way. So let's do the best that we can. This is a really, really pretty shade, by the way. Very, very pretty. I hope that it's showing up. Oh, yeah, I think you guys can see that. Yeah, so today was like the first day that it actually like, well, let me rephrase this. Felt like fall where I was off work, where I could actually enjoy it. Usually on days that we have earlier in the fall season, if it's cooler, for whatever reason, I end up being at work and I can't enjoy it, which really sucks. So I was just so glad to be able to get outside. I found a really cool nature area that's about an hour away. They've got like amazing giant tall pine trees, which I love so much. I'm just like, I just love trees. I just love being out by tall giant trees, feeling the cool breeze, just getting that fresh air in, doing some hiking. That's just what I love more than anything. All right, taking some glitter glue and putting that in the center portion of the eye. Yeah, I'm just that nature girl. I just love nature so much. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just swatch these shimmers because I'm not really sure which one I want to use. So the first one, this is the shade Fright Night, which is that really pretty purple shade right there. Right there. All right, so there we have Fright Night. The next shade is Thrills and Chills, which is right here. That's that one right there. Ooh, she pretty. And then we have Weird Waltz, which is right there. That is Weird Waltz. It's very pretty. And then Monster Mash. All right. Love me some Monster Mash. There's Monster Mash right there. Okay. Monster Mash. So beautiful, beautiful shimmers. I just absolutely love these. Now I have to decide what I want to use on my eye, which I'm kind of thinking. First, I'm kind of thinking I need to grab my brush. And then let's start with the shade Fright Night, which was that one right here. I just think that'd look really pretty at this, in the center of the eye. And again, this is totally weird doing with my lashes done. This is not my preferred method of doing makeup, but you gotta work with what you got going on. And sometimes what I have going on is a little crazy. All right, so that looks really, really pretty in the center of the eye. Very pretty. All right, I really, really like how that turned out. Now, I do need to do my lower lash line. So let me get that done before I get too distracted and start on the other eye. It's really pretty, really pretty. I'm just loving all these fall palettes. Okay, now for the under eye, let's just go ahead and let's do that shade Groovy Ghouls, which is this shade right here. That is such a cool grungy shade. Absolutely love, love that. Now for the lower inner corner highlight. We are going to go with that shade Weird Waltz, which is the shade right here. All right, now for the other eye. I want to start with that purple shade Bewitching Bride, which is right there. Very, very, very pretty purple shade, you guys. Now, I'm going to take the shade Freaky Frank, which is the shade right down here. And that's what we're going to create our little halo eye shape with. Such a pretty green. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the shade Thrills and Chills for that center shade, which is that one right there. Holy crap, that is phenomenal. Like, so freaking good. So freaking beautiful. All right, now for that lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with that shade Freaky Frank right there. All right, and now you guys, for that lower inner corner highlight, those are my smallest brushes. I always lose those, and we're just gonna go into that same shade Weird Waltz, which is right there. All right. You guys, I'm gonna go touch up that mascara, hopefully be back in a few, and we'll get this final look done. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back, and these are the finished looks. I did my best to touch up my mascara. It is weird putting on mascara once it's already dried down, because it just, I don't know, it's hard to touch up, but I did the best I could. I hope it's okay. And then the lip that I'm wearing, a lot of you, if I don't mention in the video, because like I try to, but sometimes I forget what lip I'm wearing, you will ask in the comments after the video. So this is the Revlon Colorstay Satin Ink in the shade Holy Pumpkin, which I think is just the perfect shade for fall. Just, it's orange, but not too orange. It's very wearable if you know, wouldn't like a bright hot orange lip. I think this is perfect for fall. And these are really easy to put on, and the staying power is amazing. So I really enjoy these. I have several of them in my collection. I do have a lot of fall shades, so you'll probably be seeing these in the upcoming videos. So you guys, that's it for today's video. Again, this was the Wicked Widow Beauty Graveyard Smash palette. The packaging is adorable. The shades inside are just absolutely phenomenal. Just look at that. Just, so beautiful. I'm a huge Wicked Widow Beauty fan. If you have not tried one of their palettes, pick one up. They are phenomenal. And thank y'all just so much for your love, for your support. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. I already forgot what I mentioned in comment down below, so whatever I said at the beginning, do that. And if you missed it or whatever, just comment whatever you feel like commenting down below. You guys I just thank you so much. Tomorrow I'm going to be filming with that Glam Light Ghost Face palette. I don't have my highlighter yet because I did end up, if you watched a couple videos, I explained the fiasco trying to order stuff and the highlighter wasn't up, so I panicked and thought the palette would run out early, so I ordered that, and then they put the highlighter up, so I ordered them separately. I had to pay separate shipping, and they ship separately, whatever. But the highlighter is going to be here on Monday, and y'all know I can only film on weekends unless I happen to take a day off, which I don't have any days off coming up. So what I think I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to film with that Glamlight Ghostface palette, and then next weekend we are going to do a Glamlight Ghostface and Chucky mashup, and then I'll use the highlighter, the Ghostface highlighter, in that video. So that is the plan. Sometimes things change, but as of right now, that's what I plan on doing because I got this Ghostface palette in front of me. You guys, it's killing me to not use it, but I just kind of wanted to do the Wicked Widow Beauty first, and both these videos will go up next week. So y'all are amazing. You're loved. Please don't ever forget that. And y'all know the drill. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.